So update, it's Monday. We've discovered new problems and fixing our old problems. Can you oh, we're not draining out on the floor, it just looks like it. Easy, we ain't got another one.
That was that hard as that was on there. I don't know if it is what it is at this point.
Oh yeah, right at home. Can you show our fans at home why we're changing the water pump unplanned?
Oh, you want to see?
And they're tight. Let me get closer. Hold on. Do it again. Jeremy didn't want to change it, but I was like, bro, really? We have got to change this.
Really? We're going that route?
Yeah. So
I'm not even going to tell him what you said.
Anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Got the front wheels on. Thanks to our handy dandy new air compressor. We don't need a sponsor anymore. Y'all are very unhelpful in that market. We'll be doing a review on her later. So yeah, we'll be here. JD's helping. It's a school night, but he'll be here for a while because I'm afraid we're going to be here for a while.
I'm in a tire.
He's in a tire. Yes, he is. So we'll check back in a little bit with hopefully progress. So we're making some progress. I got the super stock lettering on it. Was my job. I got the wheels on. Son, look at that hubcap. Yeah, I'm about done. What about you?
No. Still got to get a bit of work left to do.
Shouldn't you finish the water pump before you started with that other stuff?
No, I want to get this bracket on.
Oh.
Now the water pump's going on.
With a new super fan, JD's still here, way too late. We took the aluminum fan off, or the flex fan, put old school on there, so we're making progress. When's Rod run?
Making progress.
Less than, what, 48 hours?
Yeah, here we go. So, good news is, water pump's on. Bad news is,
I'm not telling you the bad news.
pulley's not on.
You tell me the bad news.
JD, what do you think?
I think the bad news is that the hood will always get.
Yeah, you got grease on your nose too.
Oh, come on.
It's about bath time. Anyway, yeah, so, hey, at least we caught it now though, right? Not when Nick got, get this changed before Nick gets here. Nick's always going to help.
I don't think that's going to happen, buddy.
I'll stall him outside. So, we'll be back, maybe.
Sunday.
Oh, God.
Right now I don't know if I'll ever arrive.
Well, we finished up. Me and Nick were pulling the night shift. Jeff went home to go to bed. He's his Johnny hurts him if he don't get enough sleep. We've got the new water pump on, new fan, new alternator with all the correct brackets on it now, and well, a couple things left, but burning the midnight oil and about got it wrapped up. I guess tomorrow it'll be up to Jeff to fire it. He's got to hook the coil back up, put some antifreeze in it, get some gas up to the carburetor, and let her purr. Anything to add?
You're welcome, Jeff.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. We'll see you. Yeah, you got a little more.
Got her loaded up, washed up. She ready to ride. Kinda got her little wumpy job there on the trailer, but really probably should have a different hitch in this thing, or whenever I drag the hind end out of it. Gonna try to come out of the car wash here at an angle. This thing is sitting kinda, oops. Trailer light's going on and off. Don't drag, don't drag, don't drag. Ah, not too bad. Thing's sitting kind of jacked up on Paige's truck, but anyway. So, Impala is ready to go to rod run to her forever home. I hope. So, it'll work tomorrow. Then me and Jeremy are heading out after work. It's road about 5. Hope to get there by dark. So, we'll see you there. Be sure and hit that like button. Be sure and subscribe. We're going to have a ton of rod run video coming. So, y'all be pretty.